Moving on, farmers in Kilifi County have been challenged to enhance cashew nuts production to take advantage of a ready market created following the setting up of a cashew nut processor. The factory has a capacity to process 7 metric tons of cashew nuts annually.
Plans to set up a cashew nuts factory in Kilifi County started back in 2019. It was joy for residents and farmers when the factory was commissioned mid last year, offering cashew nut farmers a ready market for their produce. The factory CEO Thomas Afara says Kilifi has the best quality of cashew nuts at the coast and is encouraging area residents to increase the acreage under the cash crop.
All the raw material we are currently processing is 100% Kenyan. We are not having any imported raw material from abroad. So what our intention is to bring or to revive the Kenyan cashew belt. So the potential is really huge, and if you want this, the sky is the limit.
Kilifi County government has committed to sensitize farmers on cashew nut farming, noting that their evaluation had established that an acre under the cash crop on average earns a farmer 1 million shillings.
You can get up to 1 million shilling in a year, about 800,000 a year. So what we want is we want to partner with the nuts and more factory to see how we can mobilize our farmers through the agriculture department to see if we can encourage the farmers of Kilifi. Each one of them can struggle to come up with 1 acre of cashew. There's the market now.
Frederick Moki for Lunchtime News.